Hey guys, it's your friend Sarah here to do another video. So today's video is going to be about the different types of corn. So let's get right into it. The first item is the wine red corn. Now this one is a really pretty purplish reddish color. I purchased this item from Etsy and it's an heirloom variety. The next item is the blue Hopi corn. Hopi is an Aboriginal tribe from the Americas, so that's where they got the name blue Hopi corn. I purchased this one from Amazon and it's an heirloom variety. The third item is the pink corn, which this one is so much fun. Now this pink corn can also be called the pink Hopi corn. So I bought this pink corn from Etsy and it's an heirloom variety. The fourth item is the black Aztec corn. This one comes from the Aztecs, who were Aboriginal Americans, because that was something that the Aboriginal Aztecs loved to eat. And this corn, as you can see, it has a beautiful dark black color. I purchased this corn from Waylon Chow's, and it's also an heirloom variety. The fifth item is the brown corn. This is a beautiful chocolate brown color. I purchased this item from Etsy and it's an heirloom variety. The next item is the mini purple corn. This one is a fun one as well. Now this one is more of like a variety of purple shades. As you can see, there's light shades of purple, dark shades of purple, all types of colors in there. I purchased this item from Etsy and it's an heirloom variety. The seventh item is the Oaxacan green corn. Now this one comes from Oaxaca, Mexico, and I purchased this corn from Waylon Chow's. The eighth item is the orange corn. I bought this item from Etsy. Now, just a little warning, there is a GMO version of the orange corn. You want to make sure that you get the heirloom variety. The ninth and final color that we are going to talk about today is the Bloody Butcher corn. Now this one is called Bloody Butcher because it is a blood red color, hence the name Bloody Butcher. I purchased this one from Etsy and this one is an heirloom variety. Alright, so that concludes my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you all on the next one.